shine in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on the neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks, she got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats, circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready, I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back, I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty, I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start, I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli, after the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Alright, let's mark up gold here. Alright, so gold is still absolutely bullish overall. So we've got our daily support here. Got another support here. And we've got one more support here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Alright, 4 hour, we've got a support here. I need to turn this music down. Alright, so we've got another support here. Resistance here. All right, 4 hour demand. All right, 1 hour time frame. Move this. All right, so looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, we've got a support here. Demand here. And we've got a demand here. Another demand here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. At 30-minute, we've got a demand here. Let's take a look at a 15-minute. Excuse me. Move this to 15-minute demand. Check the 1 hour. All right, so looking at gold right now, we pretty much in the range, pretty much between 24.76 and 24.56. That's the range we are in. However, we currently do have a bullish momentum. So for now, we're going to see if we can get a buy set up. But in order for us to get a buy set up, as of right now, now that we are pushing up here, we need to pull back to this demand or back to this support in order for us to take buy, to pretty much anticipate this weak fill here, pretty much in this range. So we are going to see what happens when London session opens. If we do not get buys in this range, we pretty much have to wait for price to break above 24.84. That's the only time we can take buys. And we can take sells depending on how we react at this 4-hour resistance because we are in a range. All right, there's a chance gold might stay in a range because of CPI, but we'll see what happens now that London session is opened. But for now, we are looking for buys. How are you doing the money trades? We're going to mark up GM40 real quick in the meantime. Take a look at this on the daily. Just follow along while I mark this up real quick. Down here. All right. Oh, there's nothing to do here right now. Good morning, good morning.
Morning, guys.
Do I think we can break the all-time highs with CPI coming today? Possibly. It's possible. CPI could just drive us up, or we could fall, and then we start going back up afterwards after the news. Anything can happen. We really don't know for sure what the news is going to do. All we can do is predict. Based on price action, pretty much. You like for it to push us down? Yeah, that's what I would like to. I like CPI to push price down, and then we start going back afterwards. And pretty much leave gaps like this. Well, guys, we went back to our regular basic stream overlay. And you can see the charts real better. Hey Anna, how you doing? How you been? Good morning, Danny. Just mark there's a few things here on gold futures. Uh-oh. Wow, Danny's trying to steal your girlfriend. Uh, is wild here yet?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Danny's trying to take Hannah from you.
Oh, morning, Anna. Morning, Gideon.
At this point in Gmail 40, I am looking for buys, but I would like to see this thing come down lower. And I also like to see if we are going to break below this, pretty much this support at 17,829 that created the resistance that we have now at 17,893, because we pretty much couldn't really break and close above the previous resistance. You missed Asian session today, wow.
Oh yeah, I saw it. The aftermath. You guys got a quick one.
Man, it was so freaking quick. It was freaking less than 15 minutes.
Nice, nice.
We almost missed it too. I was gonna take these buys pre-London. I'm like, nah. I already made money during Asian session. It's not worth it. Yeah. Yep, the buys and the sales were very fast. The sales gave more peeps though. Well, unfortunately, God just wants to keep pushing. Dennis said you can have two boyfriends. Asia hit a 10 standard deviation shift and fucked around to move 1800 points. Am I sleeping sometimes during the day? I pretty much sleep during the day. I barely go out, and even when I do, it's usually in the weekends. During the week, you catch me indoors. Or maybe once in a while, you can catch me in the gym.
see you. Only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I socialize with some extra too. X and O's. Trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Me and my boo. When I get lost, you gon' see me through.
So we'll
I
pretty
don't even
much
know what he's
see
talking about.
who.
Dumb money. He said
Oh,
like 10 standard deviation, 1800 points, Asia. It's like, what? What's he talking about?
that's why I didn't respond. I don't know. So right now, guys, pretty much as of right now, we have to wait and see how we react to this resistance. For me to take buys, gold is gonna have to come back pretty much towards this support. If you saw the setup, you would have taken the buys, Edwin. Really, Edwin, even though we made money during the Asia session? That's why I didn't take the buys. I had it set up and everything already. I'm like, oh, nah. I won't take this. Asian session was good. Plus, it will be going against my trading plan. And once I don't follow that trading plan, it's not a good practice. Even though we have CPI today during the NY session, hopefully we get a nice, or at least a decent setup, yeah. I would like it to be gold, but if gold doesn't give us a setup, hopefully Gemma 40 gives us a setup. We don't have one just yet, but Gemma 40, I am looking for buys. Go for now, still looking for buys for now as well.
Dumb money said it's simple maths. Something about the opening price range, the ODR moved to the high and the low of the LP and King's LP, but he forgot about the, the OB
QR and the Z.
and yeah.
Forgot about what?
I was just gonna make up some letters, some random bullshit.
Oh,
Faye was onto it.
It sounded damn complicated, whatever it was.
on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G.
유전자에는
Yes, Edwin, that was exactly what it was. It was pretty much a liquidity grab below this support. And also you had a 1 hour demand there that we actually tapped, a very big one. So it's a liquidity grab slash demand. It was a good setup on a 5 minute also. Even if you had this support as well and you didn't, you're not using the demand to the left, you could still take the buys because we failed to break below this support. And why would you take the buys? You can take the buys because it's the range and this is the support. This is the support that created this high. Okay, this high, right, created this low, and this low created this high. So this high to the left created this minor high. So pretty much this high came all the way down and failed to break its lows. So since it failed to break its lows, and with the fact that gold is also bullish as well, you could have taken buys. Price action is that simple. It's not complicated at all. It's very simple. It's so simple as memorizing the alphabet. Yep, as simple as ABC, Gideon. Did I just heard Korean language? No.
Yeah, I heard something. It was like some sort of like Asian language or something, some advertisement.
Oh, that was me.
There's no such thing as a dumb person, my friend. We are all dumb. What the fuck? What the fuck did you just say, dude?
No such thing as a smart person. What? Says who? You got people in this world that they just so freaking smart. And you got some people in this world, no matter what you do, they just slow.
Slow, he means dumb.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's exactly what I meant. There's nothing you can do. That's just who they are. The right trade is 50K, 100K, or 150K combined with top step. I have a 50K funded with them, and I have another 50K challenge that I'm taking. And then Alpha Futures, I have a 50K funded account with Alpha Futures and a 100K challenge that I'm currently taking with them. Then I have a Alpha Capital Forex challenge 100K that I'm still doing. And then I'm also funded with 5%ers. On top of that, I still trade my own personal. So I got a lot going on over here. I got a lot going on over here. Let me preach 1 Corinthians 3-18, Corinthians 3:18-20. If anyone among you seems to be wise in this age, let him become a fool, that he may become wise. So the wisdom of this world is foolishness with God. I mean, I get what you're saying, but I mean, we all know we got slow people in this world. I've definitely seen it. I get what you mean, though.
The Lord knows the thoughts of the wise, they are futile. Clearly, the Lord's never used a computer before.
You can use it, though. Whoever invented the computer, he gave him the wisdom to be able to do it.
I can't believe someone actually was able to invent a computer. It's mind-boggling.
Yeah.
A bunch of ones and zeros make all this shit work.
Yeah,
This
it's very mind-blowing. Even freaking coding, you just freaking, I mean, I don't understand. You just freaking type a bunch of freaking alphabets, freaking commands or whatever they call it, and that alone can freaking do something. Like, that's just very mind-blowing.
I love it. It's amazing.
Yeah. A computer is not in function compared to a human being. Yeah, you're right. We still made it. Anything that was invented is in this world. Whoever invented it was given the wisdom to be able to do it. The day I understood that, while I was still learning how to trade, was the day I started asking God for the wisdom to be able to trade Forex, because I knew that I needed it. And not just the wisdom to be able to understand it, but also the passion. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I first started, I wasn't passionate about Forex. It's just that I had this never giving up spirit. So because I have this never giving up spirit and I like taking risk, I just kept going. And slowly but surely, I started falling in love with trading, even while I was losing money. Thank you, Top Money Trades. Okay. All right, Jimmy 40. I need you to close strongly above 17,893. Though you have closed below above this now, so that's a good thing. Yeah, that would be a good one. Okay. Cool.
What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
Man, some people are gonna lose a lot of money during the NY session today. And some people will make a lot of money.
Why are you hating on Roger Banks? Stop it, bro.
I didn't say anything. Soundtrack the world, got 'em asking who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up the mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.
Yeah, Roger is a good trader. It's just a joke because he likes to gamble on news, buy, sell stuff.
Oh yeah, Roger is definitely a good trader. One of the few that I can vouch for. Any trader that's not live trading, whether it's freaking on YouTube or privately, I don't care if you drive a Lambo, Ferrari, I don't care what car you drive, what house you live. In my eyes, you suck. You either a scammer or you suck. I don't care what anyone says. As for me, you don't have to do it live on YouTube because I understand YouTube is, man, something else, especially in this industry. So you might not have the courage to do it on YouTube, but you should have courage to do it privately with your audience. Whatever amount you want to charge them, shit, as long as you're doing it. Buying a course is, it's okay. But the best education you can get in this industry is through what we're doing right now. Being in a mentorship program and having like weekly webinars, group calls or whatever, that's like putting icing on the cake. That's going to speed up the process of you learning. Has Xauusd stopped live trading on YouTube? I don't know. I haven't seen him on YouTube in a while. So I don't know, maybe he stopped. Or maybe he's busy, who knows? Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up. Scammed enough peeps to retire. I don't know. I don't think Don is a scammer though. You might not agree with how he trades, but I don't agree that he's a scammer. So it's okay if you don't agree with how he trades. Just like there are people who don't agree, with how I trade. There's nothing wrong with that. You might not agree with the way I trade, or maybe you don't agree with the way I talk, or my accent, or maybe you just don't like my personality. There's nothing wrong with that.
Or all of the above. All of the above.
Oh, he's on break. You'll return soon. Okay. Thank you, Danny. I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Well, clearly no volume right now. Yep, thank you, Pi.
Put you through lows, arguments about who and who. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another bar, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom line. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you.
Oh, wow, I was okay too. That's funny.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
Why not on Zoom? Oh no, he is on Zoom.
He's multitasking.
Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
You're multitasking?
Okay.
Yeah, entertaining the chat. Oh man, let me tell you a story. I woke up. It must have been about 10 to 2 a.m. our time, ready for Asian session. I'm pumped up, grabbed my coffee. I must have woken up the 3-year-old just by the noise. So she woke up, she was staring. I went back up, looking after her, gave her a cuddle, blah, blah, blah. Went back to the Zoom. You finished.
Oh no.
I was like, are you freaking kidding me right now?
Expensive cuddle.
The most expensive cuddle, of course, the best. You know, I'd rather that than a trade. But oh my god.
Yeah, it was a very fast Asian session last night. You don't know if it's a stupid question, but you're still learning Forex, but you need a side income. You need a side income, but I think if you copy my trades, you'll be able to pass the challenge and make some money. No, you're not copying my trades. You are learning how to trade. You're not copying my trades because I don't send signals. And if you don't have money saved up and you know you don't know how to trade on your own yet, there's no point quitting your job. So keep that side income that you have and still trade. Eventually you'll be able to quit your job. And I'll say this, don't think because you put 500 into an account and then you doubled it to 1K You grew to 1K, so you doubled your money. Don't think you can be like, oh, okay, you know what? All right, I've arrived. Now I'm going to quit. Right? Even though you might have, I don't know, maybe you have 50K or 100K sitting somewhere, and you think because you were able to double the $500 account just one time, now you're good to go. Nope, don't do that. You need to do this again. Then do it again. Then again. Then again. You need to do it magic number 5 times. Just a recommendation. If you do it these 5 times, then you can now use the decent capital that you have and fund your account. Don't just think you doubled an account just one time, then you're good to go full time. So at least be profitable for at least a year consistently, then and have 3 months worth of expenses saved up just in case, then go forward. Yeah, that's a good advice. Yeah, we need Jim and 40 to go deeper here. How do you calculate risk to use on a given trade? The new journal, you don't even need to ask me. You see this new journal here? Go and download it, make a copy, and then go to calculator, and then use this. That will help you. And for sure, you will have to have enough money. Start depending where you live. Where am I based? I'm in Texas, United States. Yeah, retreat agent session. You're in the UK. Nice, welcome. Where can you find the journal? Is in the description.
on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still, sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real, stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up, all that anger pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, put in hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now, you been chilling with a party, yes. Put in reps cause they called my bluff, got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on,
There is a 30-minute demand here, so
lights on.
seeing how we are going to react to that 30-minute demand. But of course, we got to wait for this candle to close.
I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on.
I'd rather it come to the 15 of to this 1 hour demand actually.
I can't let up. Keep my head up. I can't let up.
How do I cope when agent session have no volatility? Then if there's no setup, then we don't take a trade. UK, you really have to have, in my opinion, at least 50k savings, and most importantly, the skills to trade. Do it for yourself and be consistent. I mean, it depends on what your expenses are. For some people, 10k might be all they need. So it depends on what your expenses are. Especially if you're from like a, third world country, whatever they call it. Those type of countries, it's not easy to come up with 50k dollars or 50k pounds or 50k euros. So it depends on what your expenses are. For example, let's say Nigeria, which is the country where I was born, 50 to Naira. Look at that. That's 79 million. 79 million. I'm pretty sure 90% of Nigerians, they don't have this money just sitting. 79 million naira to have 50k account. This is what you need. So that's why I said it pretty much depends on your expenses and of course the country you live in. How much naira does a meal cost? I don't know. I've not been there pretty much since I've been in America. So I don't know. 98% of Nigerians don't have 10 million. Not to talk of 79. To quit your job and trade if you live in the UK, you don't think 5k is enough. Nah, UK 5k is definitely not enough, even though I don't live there, but I know for a fact that's not enough. It's just like here in the States, saying you want to quit your job because you have 5k, you have a 5k account. It's not enough. I think 1K pounds is 1 million naira. Maybe, I'm not sure. Man, that would be crazy if it's just. I don't think so. That would be crazy if that's it. Are you kidding me? It's 2 million? Oh yeah. All the Nigerians on YouTube, we need to tell Tinubu, the president, he needs to go. This is insane. 1,000 pounds is 2 million? Wow. That's crazy. Okay. All right, looks like for now our trade today might be German 40. So we'll wait and see. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back, guys. Wow, take over for me, please.
Yeah. If you have great trading skills, 5K is more than enough. Well, since you're from the UK, you know, 5K is most definitely not enough for the UK, but you know, if you're saying if you have great trading skills, technically, yeah, but you wouldn't have 5K if you had great trading skills. Gotta be realistic. Yep, Pie's right. Be careful. Whenever you see videos of people turning like tiny amounts of money into huge sums of money, always be skeptical. And even if they did achieve that, you know, do you really think you yourself are gonna achieve that? You have over 30,000 hours of screen time. On the charts? Or on your computer screen? Alright, well, if you got 30,000 hours on the chart, then Jesus, I need a calculator that. My God. let's say you spend 5 hours on the chart a day. So let's do 30,000 divided by 5. So you spent 6,000 days trading. All right, let's divide that by 5 because 5 trading days in a week. You spent 1,200 weeks trading. Okay, let's say 48 weeks trading. You take a month off, holidays and whatnot, right? So let's divide that by 50. You've spent 24 years trading. All right. I mean, you spend more years trading than me. A hell of a lot more. 24 years trading? Man, I've only been trading for like 2.5 years, 3 years, something like that. So you should be light years ahead of me. So I can't really give any advice to someone that good.
Not sure what he's doing sitting on a YouTube stream.
Yeah. $18 hours a day. Okay. You spend 18 hours a day looking at charts. Damn. All right. That's something. Oh no, it's cool. I'm not hating on you or anything. I'm just like, I'm a highly skeptical person. Whenever people say stuff, I like to dig in deep.
No kidding, Wall. I thought you're as trusting as they come. The minute someone says something, you just believe it right off the bat.
Yeah, there are some traders here that just come for the company and they don't even like take Abe's trades. German 40 preparing for CPI, and the whole market's preparing for US CPI. Lower CPI? So if inflation's lower, you'd expect the market to surge higher. Unfortunately, the awkward thing about even if the CPI comes out lower than expected is for the past, several days, week, the market's already been surging higher, so then they can just dump and say it's been priced in.
Possible stop loss for this trade will be 25 pips.
She understood what she's for, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her.
Sorry, King, did you say 35?
25.
25, okay, thank you.
Welcome.
All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all mine. All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress.
You remember when bankers used to be in chats prompting traders to sell, then they buy? Is that for real? I could see that, but damn, that seems illegal.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next.
You think the market will really dump when the Fed pivot?
Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my office legit.
I made you know this is indices. Your broker is different from my broker. You use the same lot as mine. It could be more or it could be less. And yesterday during NY session, I pretty much explained my risk management during NY session yesterday. I said NY. It was during London, not NY.
Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happiness for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around.
Yes, Gideon. Remember, that's for me though. Okay, that's for me. So I really don't like spending too much time when it comes to risk management, because risk management is pretty much based on your personality. It's not based on my personality, it's based on your personality, it's based on what you can handle. What I can handle, you might not be able to handle it. And what you can handle, I might not be able to handle it. So I'm not going to say, oh, okay, this dude over here is risking 10%, 20%, and his lot size is Whatever it is, 10, 50, 100. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. You can't do that. That's a recipe for disaster if you do that. Should be able to get a 1-to-1 on this trade. I'm in, guys. Oh, I'm in this trade. Are you freaking kidding me right now?
What up?
I don't freaking get it. I was trying to put in my surplus and TP on this thing, but then it freaking closed my trade. Stop losses.
Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got it in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Yeah. Why is it not playing? It didn't. Okay, they tripping.
Is the CPI news for today volatile? Most certainly. It's gonna be hella volatile.
Just trying to figure out why this music is not playing. Is this on here? Okay.
Just know CPI, NFP, and FOMC. Volatile as hell.
So this is pretty much got 20 pips there. Go 1-to-1. Yeah. No, Vivian. Sorry, I was setting my TP and stop loss. Even though I'm watching it, sometimes I just like to set my stop loss and TP because I got too much stuff going on. How is it that you don't know any of these songs? Oh, it's because they're non-copyright, just like King Abe said.
I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a pair now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak.
You can either choose to get out of this trade. Excuse me. At 20 pips, or you wait for your 1-to-1, which is 25 pips, because stop loss is 25. I already saw 20.
Yeah, I got 20.
Which is why I'm out at 20. Alright guys, I'm already out at 20.
It's good to pie at 20. That's a good level, especially at London.
That's true, especially at London.
That's what I got at. Plus stop loss is just 25 pips, so it's pretty good.
Man, I remember the days when London was 10 pips and New York was 20.
If you got 20 already, you can either get out or you can hold for your 1-to-1. And if you got 20, kindly spam W's in the chat. That's if you took this trade.
I never did like the 10 pip TPs.
It was more like 15. I think we were doing 15. Oh no, you're right.
Back in the 5-minute days.
You're right. Back in 5-minute days, it was 10. I think it was 10-15. And then we moved to
or 10-20 or 10-15.
10-15. And then we started doing 15-20. 15 doing London, 20 doing New York. And then now it's 20 doing London, and at least 50% of our history were doing New York.
Problem the 10 back then is
1-to-1 smashed. Very nice, guys. If you took this trade, congratulations to you. We don't play over here. Yeah, we have losses, but this is a very profitable YouTube channel. Just in case you don't know.
Even losses are profitable here. They are, man. They are.
Who said that?
Matt on YouTube.
Thank you, man. I take this trade from the parking of Lidl.
Lucian, what are you doing here? You said you're not going to be here.
Yeah, I'm on a Lidl parking. I take this trade on my phone. Ew! I have money to spend.
That's
Ciao,
funny.
guys. See you in New York. This is the best trading channel from of YouTube, man. Come on over here.
We'll see you doing. We'll see you doing NY.
Take care.
King, you
No,
gotta
that
get
one.
that. You gotta get that on record. That's definitely gotta be a short on YouTube.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. I think Lucian was so happy.
Yep, it was. Oh God, this Sunny. Oh,
Slowly getting his voice back.
yeah, slowly but surely. I don't know why I'm still using this old journal. Oh, I know why. It's because this was the one we started with for the year. So I got to keep using it.
Oh, you know you're using your new journal wrong? You kind of fucked it up, man.
I am?
Yeah. I made a copy of it and I started using it. And then I was like, man, why aren't some of the, the formulas working? And it's like, oh, it fucked it up.
How did I fuck it up?
Go
Hold
to your
on,
journal.
wait.
Go to your journal.
Hold
Your
on, wait.
new one.
Wait, I'm trying to see what demand of this was. I think it was the 1 hour. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the new one. Let me do this first. Okay. So this is the new journal. So what am I doing? What did I mess up?
So, okay, so you see here on the entry, hold on, let me change my marker color. All right. So here on the
I didn't
entry, it says
include
time
the
and date.
time. I didn't include the time. Okay.
So
That's
if you
how I
put your
messed it up.
cursor over there, you see that? It'll tell you what to do.
Oh, so that's the only thing
So
I
you're
messed
supposed
up.
to write the time and date like that.
Oh yeah, you're right.
And then when you exit, you do the same thing and it'll auto calculate the time spent in the trade for you.
Oh.
So you're not supposed to be writing it down in the time. It'll automatically calculate everything inside the green zone.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna start doing that then. Yeah, once I record this German 40 trade, I'll do it. The only thing I don't like about this journal is that I got to put in the entry price, exit price. That's the only thing. Aside from that, it's definitely a very good journal.
Yeah. And I don't bother putting in the last decimal points. It's like, yes, it's good enough without the last decimal point,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, we'll start doing that.
So just don't fill in the details in the green boxes. They'll auto fill.
Oh, okay. I should read the instruction. Damn, German 40 is still going.
Oh, it's gonna tap that upper little supply.
Yeah. This thing I need to.
$5 and $15. That's where it's at, Abe. Not the one.
You said it before. Yeah, 5 and 15. At least for me. Faye is definitely the 1 minute. Faye is the queen of 1 minute time frame.
Oh.
Do me and you do you, and we'll all be happy.
You said what?
I said, I'll do me and you do you, and we'll all be happy.
Yeah. Oh, your TP was at 30 pips, Eddie? Wow, nice. Trader and Z, you're welcome. Oh, I gotta record this. I be forgetting sometimes. That should be. Does it say? 87.
The seed asked, what are your opinions of statistical trading?
What are my opinions of statistical trading? I'm more technical. However, I do believe you need to journal your trade, because when you journal your trade, you'll be able to look at the statistics of your pretty much of the trades you've taken. That way you know which setup works, which setup does not work, what setup works the most. So in my opinion, that's what you need to do. That's pretty much why I actually started journaling my trades. Before I wasn't, but since I started journaling my trades, I was able to know what setup works the most, the setup that don't work at all, stuff like that. I hope that's what it's
100%
talking
agree.
about. You said what?
I just said 100% I agree.
Yeah,
Journaling is so important.
very. Because if you don't journal your trades, you won't even have any statistics at all. Because you won't know.
And then by journaling, it forces you to like go over the trade, put in the information, look over it, and then you like, okay, this one by this much, or how the setup played out, kind of replays the trade, reinforces it into your memory.
Yeah, pretty much. YouTube, how many of you trade German 40 or DAX? And if you trade German 40 or DAX, type 1. If you don't, type 2.
Oh, do a poll.
I'm just curious. Oh yeah. Let me do a poll. Wait, do we have 100 likes yet?
Man, you only got 93. They slacking.
Wow. Guys, can we get 7 more likes? 100 likes shouldn't be hard to get. I have to use this to create a poll. What the hell is it? Where did it go? Oh. I'm about to create a poll again. Oh, I need to close this one first. And poll. Poll. Alright, guys, kindly participate in the poll. I'm just curious. Fortunately, the buy setup happened before before London session, and she just refused to pull back.
LinkedIn sellers. I see on YouTube people are talking about, selling gold and stuff. I bet I think it was like Doom. He was already talking about it like over here or something.
Oh,
Then
damn.
more people start talking about it. Once it got over here and did that top over there, it's like, uh-oh. You guys got played.
Yep, played them big time. That's typical of gold, though. Plus, it didn't even, this candle did not tap the resistance or the supply.
And you didn't even get a break of, that support or anything, like at least something like that before you start selling it.
Yeah. Did you sell? I don't know. Danny, did you sell gold? I hope you didn't. Nicholas was also talking about selling. I'm not sure if he sold it though.
He said he'll start. It doesn't scroll back that far. Yeah, he said he started to short it a little bit.
Oh. He's been in buys very low. I think he finally got out of his buys. Because I saw what he posted in Discord. Where was it? I don't think it was this far back. Danny, where did you post your gold trade again? Oh yeah, right here. So he's been in this since, I can't even tell. Wait,
what time frame is that? Is that like
1 minute?
Hour? Oh, okay.
Oh, so he got in over here and then got out up there on the buys.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
What are all these dots? What indicator is that?
Yeah.
Are those dots or arrows? Fog bullets? Every G. Yes, but your starting position is always small and then you scale into the position. Oh, you got stopped out for 20 pips. Now you're long from a breakout. Yeah, German 40 was a very nice trade, and it was quick too.
Yeah, 1-to-1 is very, very easy to do off those 5 minutes or smaller time frames.
Yeah,
that is.
Yeah, you have a chance of getting the 1-to-1 on the 5, of course. Sometimes it might even be out on the, before it pulls back if it's going to pull back. But on the 15, you might experience that pullback on the 15 before it continues your way.
Yeah.
You have higher commission, my German 30 trade. It depends on your lot size. Let me see what my commission was on that trade. I paid $60. That was my commission, $60.
But Abe don't care because his profit was like 1,000 something, 2,000 something.
Yep. I don't care about commissions actually. I care about spreads.
Yeah.
Because commission is really nothing. I made 2K and then they took $60. I'm still left with 1940. I'll take this all day.
It seems 50% of people don't trade DAX.
The gold is going crazy.
Yep, she's going crazy. We needed to break out though.
I've got stopped out on this one.
Wait, you took sales?
I took sales. Actually took sales here,
Ooh.
and I got wicked. And then obviously it broke above here.
So, what was your reason
I was
for taking?
anticipating price to continue coming down, and then I got and then I got wicked out, pulled back,
Well,
and I got stopped out.
What was your reason for taking the sales?
Based on structure. So essentially, as soon as I saw this mitigate this area here, I was looking at taking the sell from, I guess, around about there. But I anticipated price coming down from here. Obviously, we wouldn't have done this.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see the reason behind it. However, you should have waited for this low to be taken out before taking it, because you pretty much took it right at the previous support.
Yeah.
Plus,
Were you
gold
looking
is
at the
still
small?
bullish. Go ahead.
Were you looking at the smaller time frame when you entered that trade?
No, so yeah, when I entered the trade, I was on the smaller time frame, but
Yeah.
on terms of, I guess the overall, I look at that 30-minute essentially.
Because if you're looking at the 15, you'd be like, there's no way I'm taking it. It's too far away. There's too much gap to possibly retrace before taking the sell, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that was on my Top Step account anyway. My personal, I didn't take it, but I've said I'm not going to trade today. Believe it.
Because if you really look at the structure and the range, in this range here, before this move to the downside, the moment you missed this sell here, you have to wait and see if price is going to break this minor support before you actually start looking for the sales.
Yeah.
So that's what, because the momentum is still bullish.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I was anticipating, us coming to potentially fill these gaps to the left. and then price coming down. But I think in terms of coming up and then breaking down, like what Wal was saying, I was that the move had already happened, so I got in too early anyway, because I was potentially thinking, okay, we'll wick, continue coming down, but I got in there way too early. But yeah, no mind.
Yeah. The new sellers were gonna do that because if they freaking tricked them real freaking good. It's freaking liquidity grab.
Yeah.
And then they kept on accumulating price, and then boom. I'm pretty sure there are some sellers that freaking got in over here because of the push to the downside. Came down aggressively.
There must have been. There's probably like a lot of sellers that didn't want to close out their position, and then that's why it doesn't pull back. Don't give them a chance to close out at break even. Just drive it up in half to stop them out, force them out.
Yeah.
That's it. So I'm temporarily locked out until tomorrow.
Oh no.
So you've lost 1K already? The daily drawdown? Oh. Is that on your no, that can't be, that's not funded. Is that on your funded or challenge?
That's on my Express account.
Oh.
50K.
Oh man, so you pretty much have another 1K to lose. Damn, don't lose that.
50K is it's only 1,000, isn't it? Yeah,
I mean the maximum.
Yeah, the maximum is 2K, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 2K, so one more trading day. I've still got my 2 others, but I'm not gonna.
You're risking 1K a day?
Huh?
I said you're risking 1K per trade?
No, I won't risk in one trade.
Oh.
No, that was I took 3 positions actually. So I'm risking this 200, 250.
Oh, 250, okay. It's not bad. You took sales, should have known better. Gold always does this. Yeah. Just wasn't time for the sales yet, Nicholas. That's just my opinion.
I have noticed, like, as we've been trading recently, it's like gold and the others, they've been favoring breakout traders. So now it's probably time to start punishing them again,
Yeah, pretty much.
Thing with that trade, I'm gonna have to go over it again, but I can clearly see what happened. But it's so annoying because I could have closed out with a smaller loss, but I let it run. I thought the price would pull back. It's so annoying. So I actually ended up moving my stop loss.
Oh, the cardinal sin.
Yeah, tell me about it. So it's like, okay, let me move my stop because it's got to reject there, right? It's got to keep going back. That psychology kicks in, and it's like, oh shit, okay. There you go. And I guess I was like, well, if it happens, it happens. That means you don't trade today. Come back next day.
You respected the supply area. What supply?
Let's talk about resistance. Wow.
Except if you're talking about this one right here, and you can't use this as the supply anymore because it went too deep inside the supply. Whenever this happens, sometimes it works out. Majority of the time, it does not. A good rejection from a supply zone is when, well, can you please draw it out for me? You know what I'm trying to say. It's pretty much when we just tap the supply or the demand. Can you draw that out for me, please? Just show an example. So you can use this resistance.
So a tap of supply.
Yeah. Okay. Yep, pretty much. So price came down, we started pushing up, supply to the left, and then this is what the rejection should look. What the hell? This is what the rejection should look like, pretty much. Not deep inside the supply zone. No, you don't want to take those type of setup. You can delete it. Oh, now a resistance or a support is a different story. Okay, a resistance or a support is a different story. But supply and demand, you just need a tap. Okay, you just need it. You don't need that. You don't need price to go deep inside the demand or the supply. For example, just like this 5-minute demand. Okay, that's what you need. So pretty much, for example, on the 5-minute, you see how big this demand zone is. So just using my eyes, we can say we have 50% of this demand, like at around here. If it goes below the 50%, let's say it's over here, there's a higher chance this is going to continue to the downside. Or it could do this and then bam. Okay, take note of that.
Yeah, I think that's how I got caught out.
It was the resistance. So okay, I'm guessing you use this resistance here. That's why you took it. It's a lower time frame resistance. The lower time frame resistance that I do use once in a while is the 30-minute. 30-minute resistance or 30-minute support. But I don't use it often. I only use the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1 hour when it comes to support and resistance. If there is no resistance or support there on the higher time frame, then I'm not using it. Even if price struggles at the lower time frame resistance or support, is gonna be a fake out. You have a higher chance of price really reacting and either reversing or continuing at a higher time frame resistance or support. So I tend to focus more on those.
And then sometimes, even though the setup does actually play out, it's a low probability one that you don't want to rely on and take all the time.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, YouTube. If you want to trade Asia, London, and New York session with us, learn how I trade, join us during our weekly webinars, all the good stuff, pretty much get mentored by me. You can use the link in the description. Aside from that, we're done for today. Gold is probably not gonna give you anything here until CPI, so we didn't take gold today, but we had a good trade on German 40. Unfortunately, some of you don't trade German 40, but if you trade Forex and you're here hanging out with us, I suggest you trade it as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Hopefully we see a good setup tomorrow during London session, so we can all make some money. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I'm gonna see you guys in a few hours for our New York session.
Thanks, Abe.
Abe.
All right, guys. See you guys later.
See you later.
How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see them in my review. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Okay. First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Came for my wins. I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, came for my wins, I need my hands, this life is real, can't play pretend, came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in, came for my wins, I need my hands, this life is real, can't play pretend, came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in. I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process, and I only know it takes time. You can get it. Got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in, I get it in. For my wins.